Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have the monitor powered and connected. Now locate the small buttons or joystick on the monitor edge. Press the menu or OSD button once to open the on-screen display. You'll see brightness or picture controls immediately. Once the menu appears, use the arrow buttons or joystick to highlight brightness. Make sure to stop at the brightness field. Do not change contrast yet. This gets you into the right control without extra setup, so you can adjust precisely. With brightness highlighted, use the arrow keys or joystick to increase or decrease the value. Small changes matter, so adjust in 5–10% steps and pause to check. Once done, switch between presets like Standard or sRGB if your monitor offers them. They affect gamma and perceived brightness. Make sure to view typical content and set brightness for normal ambient light. If the screen looks washed or too dim, fine-tune by 1 or 2% increments until comfortable. After settling on a level, press OK or Exit to save and exit the OSD. Many monitors auto-apply changes, but confirm they persist after closing the menu. If brightness doesn't change, make sure the video cable, HDMI/DisplayPort, is secure and the correct input is selected, because some inputs lock certain settings. If things still fail, reset the monitor's OSD to factory defaults and test with another PC. This isolates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.